Hi everyone, welcome back to Ice Caves. The last video we got Russo's Sword of Truth, and in this video we're going to be getting DJ's Sword of Agility. So the first thing you need to do is just hop into row beats. Now the next thing you need to do is come on over to this little machine and press dance. Then you need to do the Kanamani code, which is up on your keyboard, the up arrow and down arrow and stuff. So up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, and then BA. And then I've already done it, so it doesn't show it for me, but you'll get this dance right here, godlike, and it'll give you a pop-up. So the next thing you need to do is play for a little bit and get enough coins to get this Oni's sword. It should be in this shop right here. I already have it, but right here it will be here, but I've already bought it. So now what you need to do is play songs in a certain order. The first song you need to do is Roblox Anthem. So I'll just hop on over to my other account because it has all the songs, and I'll just start playing that. And then I'll join in. Right there. Just ready up. Hopefully we'll go in. Okay. So now all you need to do is, this is copyright, so that's why I don't have song or music. But you don't need to get a certain score or anything. You just need to play it. So just stay on here until the song ends. So see you when mine ends. Okay, so mine just ended. See, I didn't really try that hard, but if you have Oni's sword, it will say you feel as if a hidden sequence of events has been set in motion. If you don't, it'll say something like you need to get an item or something like that. But the next song you need to do is, let me get into it. It's Rave, difficulty 13. So I'll hop into that. It's right there. Just ready up. Okay. So same thing as before. You don't need to get a certain score or anything. So just wait until the song ends. So see you then. Okay, now that that's over, I didn't really try at all, but it'll say you feel as if you are getting closer to your destination. So press back. And as well, if you leave during any of this, I'm pretty sure you have to do the songs over again. So the next song is Wither, difficulty 9. So I'll just do that. There it is. Ready up. And same as before, you don't need to get a certain score or anything. You can just leave it here. So see you when my song ends. Okay, my song just ended. Didn't try that hard. And then it'll say, you feel as if you are right on the cusp of a great discovery. So now, the last song you need to do is, it's over here, Monday Night Monsters Hard Mode. So I'll quickly jump into that. Just ready up. And same thing, don't need to get a certain score or anything. Just wait for your song to end. So see you then. Okay, just finished it. Honestly, that one was so hard I didn't even really try. But now it will say you feel as if a great secret has been revealed. But where? Look around. So now you want to come over here into this area right here in this huge tower. And right behind here in this elevator, you'll see this RV Battles elevator. So you click that, it will bring you all the way to the top. and you want to just walk up these stairs, and then you can either, well, actually I don't know if there's a platform over there, but you just jump right here and you can make it on. Then right here it's RB Battle Sword. Just click that and you get DJ's Sword of Agility. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like. Bye!